Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So this video is the continuation of the previous video of A to Z phonic sounds and consonant, vowels and consonant. Today we will learn the short sound of vowel plus 2 steps of learning phonic. One is decoding and the second one is blending. So let's start. This is the short A sound. A short A says a, d, ad, b, ad, bad, a, g, ag, b, ag, bag, t, ag, tag, a, and, b, b, a, ban, k, a, can, a, p, app, g, apple, gap, w, apple, lap, a, t, at, b at bat, k at cat. Apple. This A has a short sound of a, apple, a, arrow, a, alligator, a sound. And the sight word am has a, this A has a short A sound a, am. Now we have short E sounds. E says d, ad, d, fed, d, led, g, egg, k, g, keg, p, g, peg, and, d, den, d, den, men, t, ten, at, let, g, get. एग वाला जो ई है वो भी शॉर्ट साउंड है ई का. Here this EA, the vowel team has the short E sound here and here. This is the short E sound of vowel team. Here the elephant का जो E है वो भी short E sound करेगा elephant. Now we have short I which says I, it, d, id, did, h, id, hid, ig, ig, d, ig, dig, j, ig, jig, I, in, b, in, bin, I, fin, I, b, ip, d, I, p, dip, I, b, nip, it, it, b, it, bit, it, fit. Here this igloo में जो I है वो भी short I है E. This is E. Igloo, E injection, E insect. They have short I sound. Okay. Now we have short O sounds which is O. O. Short O has 2 sounds O and U. O and U. O, B, ob, B, ob, bob. Og, og, d, og, dog, h, og, hog, o, p, op, k, op, cop, h, op, hop, o, t, ought, k, ought, caught, g, ought, got. This double O has U sound. Book. Here in full, this U has the short U sound. This the double O sound which says U, full, pull. Here we have the short O sound, O, octopus, O, orange. Now we have short U sounds which says b, up, k, b, cup, r, b, rub, g, ugh. B, g, bug, d, g, dug, h, hum, s, some, un, b, bun, g, gun, t, at, b, t, but. But is the sight word. See how we can pronounce it. We can decode it. B, t, but. H, t, hut. Here The O, double O has the short U sound, oo. We says oo, blood, a sound, blood and flood. Here the double O has the short U sound, a. Blood, flood and of course umbrella में जो U है वो भी a sound करता है, umbrella. Okay, now we will see how to learn those spellings. कैसे स्पेलिंग्स को पढ़ते हैं. पहले तो है आप लेटर को देखेंगे, साउंड बोलेंगे, पॉइंट करेंगे और पढ़ेंगे. द सेकेंड वे इज यू विल टैप योर फिंगर्स. यू विल टैप योर फिंगर्स लाइक ब, ए, ड, बैड. ब्लेंड कर देंगे आप. यू विल सी द लेटर, यू विल से द साउंड. बी सेज ब, ए सेज ए एंड डी सेज ड. B, A, D, bad. B, A, D, bad. B, A, D, bad. These are the three ways you will learn the spellings. These are called the multisensory approach. This is multisensory approach. You will touch your fingers, you will touch your arm and you will learn the spellings. Okay. Now this is B, A, G, bag. B, A, G, bag. B, A, G, bag. B, A, N, B, A, N, ban. B, A, N, ban. B, A, N, ban. F, A, D, fed. A, D, fed. A, D, fed. K, A, G, keg. K, A, G, keg. K, A, G, keg. This way you will learn the spellings. Knowing the short and long sound of the vowel letter is very important because it will help you to learn the spellings. It will help you in dictation. It will help you to become a better speller.